So today we're going to discuss lubricating French horn rotors. This can be a bit of a touchy subject. Some people like this way, others don't. This is just the way that I happen to like to do it and have gotten the best results. So the first thing is we've got some stuck valve caps. What I like to do for those, this is just an 1.25" rawhide mallet. We're just going to gently tap on the top of the caps. That's going to free them up. So now we have access to the bearing plates. We use sewing machine oil because we can get it in bulk quantities. It is synthetic and additive free. And we're just going to flood the top of the valve until we get a nice pool of oil on top. Put the valve caps back on. Next step is we have to get the back spindle. I've got this little spot here set up for it. And so we want to oil between the stop arm and the chimney. Put a generous amount of oil in each of those spots. This is why French horn valve oil comes with needle oilers. And once we've got a healthy amount of oil in there, we're going to take the slides and pop them. What we're doing is creating a vacuum that sucks that oil that we just put on the valve down in there, and then B-flat tuning. Lastly, and most importantly, we want to get oil on the body of the rotor. And so I've got this standing upright. I am putting this oil in about 4 or 5 drops, enough to fully coat the valve, being careful not to get it on the walls of the slide tube, because whenever you get the valve oil on the walls of the slide tube, it washes old grease down in there and can cause the valves to get gummy. I'm going to flip the horn around here. Get the B-flat slide. Got to put the phone down. Give me just a minute. Next, we've got to actuate the valves and get that oil distributed through the entirety of the valve casing. And then any impurities that got in there, we're going to turn the horn over. There it comes out the third slide tube. And that's how you lubricate a rotary valve.